Discover the top 10 pediatric bone marrow transplant doctors in India renowned for their expertise, experience, and exceptional success rates. Dr. Satya Prakash Yadav, with over 30 years of experience in pediatric hematology and bone marrow transplantation, Dr. Satya Prakash Yadav is a renowned name in the field. Dr. Yadav specializes in haploidentical stem cell transplants and has successfully treated numerous pediatric patients with complex hematological disorders. Dr. Hemalta Dose, with a career spanning over 25 years, Dr. Hemalta Dose is a pioneer in the field of pediatric bone marrow transplantation. Dr. Dose is known for her expertise in high-risk transplants and immunotherapy for pediatric patients. Dr. Dose offers cutting-edge treatments for leukemia, lymphoma, and other hematologic malignancies in children. Dr. Gaurav Kharia, with a career spanning over 27 years, Dr. Gaurav Kharia is a veteran in the field of pediatric hematology and oncology. Dr. Kharia specializes in matched sibling donor transplants and has successfully treated a wide range of pediatric hematological disorders. Dr. Neha Rastogi, with over 25 years of experience in pediatric hematology and bone marrow transplantation, Dr. Neha Rastogi is a dedicated professional in the field. Dr. Rastogi is known for her expertise in CAR T-cell therapy and novel targeted therapies for pediatric hematologic malignancies. Dr. Dharma Chaudhary, with a career spanning over 30 years, Dr. Dharma Chaudhary is a seasoned professional in pediatric hematology and oncology. Dr. Chaudhary is known for his expertise in pediatric stem cell transplantation and innovative gene editing techniques for hematologic disorders. Dr. Arun Singh Daneva, with over 20 years of experience in pediatric hematology and bone marrow transplantation, Dr. Arun Singh Daneva is a trusted name in the field. Dr. Daneva is known for his expertise in reduced-intensity conditioning regimens and novel cellular therapy approaches for pediatric patients. Dr. Revthi Raj, with a career spanning over 30 years, Dr. Revthi Raj is a seasoned professional in pediatric hematology and oncology. Dr. Raj is known for her expertise in unrelated donor transplants and innovative gene therapy approaches for pediatric patients. Dr. Ashish Dikshit, with a career spanning over 28 years, Dr. Ashish Dikshit is a respected figure in pediatric hematology and oncology. Dr. Dikshit is known for his expertise in matched unrelated donor transplants and innovative immunomodulatory therapies for pediatric patients. Dr. Dhwani Shardul Thakkar, with over 18 years of experience in pediatric hematology and bone marrow transplantation, Dr. Dhwani Shardul Thakkar is a trusted name in the field. Dr. Thakkar is known for her expertise in haploidentical transplants and novel cellular therapy approaches for pediatric patients. Dr. Raghuram CP, with over 20 years of experience in pediatric hematology and bone marrow transplantation, Dr. Raghuram CP is a dedicated professional in the field. Dr. Raghuram is known for his expertise in matched sibling donor transplants and innovative immunomodulatory therapies for pediatric patients. How WDI Medical Tourism helps in pediatric bone marrow transplant in India. WDI Medical Tourism is a leading medical tourism company that helps international patients seeking medical treatment in India. Was founded in 2010. Please visit www.wellnessdestinationindia.com for more information. Thank you for watching.